In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail profile image. Having an updated and personalized profile image in Gmail is a great way to make your emails more recognizable and adds a personal touch to your online presence. So, let's get started and make sure you have a photo that reflects your personality or your professional brand. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you aren't, simply click on the Sign In button on the top right corner, enter your account details, and get logged in. A personalized experience starts with being in the right account, so ensure you're in the account where you want to change the profile picture. Next, click on your profile picture or the initial that represents your account in the upper right corner of the page. This will bring up a quick menu showing your current profile image, if any, and give you access to your Google account settings. Make sure to click on the Manage Your Google Account button to proceed to the main settings screen. Once you're on your Google account page, look over at the left side navigation menu and find the section that says Personal Info. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage the personal information associated with your account. Here, you'll see different options related to your profile information, like your name, birthday, and photo. Now, focus on the highlighted area where your profile picture is, an existing image if you have one, or a default silhouette if it's not set yet. Directly under your current image, there will be a camera icon or an edit option. Click this icon to bring up the photo upload menu. You'll be presented with a few options to update your photo. You can choose to upload a new photo from your computer by selecting the Upload option. Alternatively, you have the convenience of selecting one from your Google Photos if you store your images there, or you could even take a new photo using your device's camera if your setup allows this. Make your selection based on where your new image is stored or how you prefer to get one. After uploading or selecting your desired image, you'll see a preview on your screen. Position the image within the crop tool so that it captures exactly what you'd like to be visible in your profile image. Then confirm your changes by hitting Save. This action will update your Gmail profile picture across all Google services linked with this account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Gmail profile picture. Now, whenever you send an email or use any Google service, your updated, personalized image will appear. This updated profile image adds a distinct touch to your account, clearly representing you as an individual or a brand. Remember, you can change this image as often as you like, so feel free to keep it current or seasonal. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful guides.